Hi, it's Megan, and I have something new this year that I'm going to be doing, and I will be an Island Batik ambassador, which means I get a cool box full of awesome things, as well as this time I got a Go Cutter and a Go Cube for 8-inch blocks, and I also got a die for the it is called a chimney sweep. So I'm going to be making something soon with this die as well as with my Go Cutter. I can't wait. That's new to me. Also, we get a box full of awesome stuff. It's a huge box. It says Team Lift. It's so big. Luckily, I have boys that can bring it up the stairs to my studio. And I'm going to show you all the cool things inside of it. We have a couple of great sponsors as well. Schmetz needles. So I've got some Schmetz Microtex super non-stick needles, Microtex chrome needles. I've never tried these. This is awesome. And a luggage tag that looks like a needle chart, so I can tell what kind of needles by the color codes, because truthfully I can't see the numbers on the needles. That's awesome. There's a ton of fabric in here too. I love batiks. I've always loved batiks. Okay, so this is the fall 2019 collection. It's called Kismet, and they are half-yard cuts, and they are gorgeous. Look at all those pretty brights. Oh my goodness, I love these. They are stunning. Oh, they are beautiful. These are all my colors. I love them all. They're amazing. I got a little packet. It says 2 yards of a light and a dark to coordinate with fall 2019 pre-cuts. So this is a turquoise and a teal. I love the little dots. They are yummy. Wow. And, ooh, it looks like 10-inch cuts. That's pretty amazing. My head is just spinning as to what I might be doing. Oh, this is pretty. This is a rayon. I do like to sew clothes. This is beautiful. It's a 2-yard cut of a rayon. I know exactly what I might be making with it. That's cool. Oh, this one says surprise. That's for later. There's another surprise. Oh, that one's heavier. Oops, there's a rip in it. Can't let you see that part. Ooh, feels like fat quarters to me. Ooh. This is a 6-yard neutral yardage. And it's kind of a little bit of a tealish color, but white, creamy white, but with some blues in it. It's very pretty. Oh, it looks good with all of what I've got. Let's see, what else do I have? I have a foundations bundle. This is half-yard cuts, and they are, I would say, tonals. Oh, more of that dot. Oh, I love that. The little, it's more like donuts, Cheerios. Ooh, purple. They're gorgeous. Oh, lime green. That's my favorite. Oh, they're all my favorite. Oh, these solids. They're solid batiks that are just beautiful. Wow. Ooh-wee. Oops, another little packet that has some 2.5-inch cuts. There's 20 fabrics and 2 of each, as well as a dark green and a light green. Limey green, of course. Beautiful. And this has got, looks like purples, turquoises to greens. Yummy, yummy. Oh. 2 yards of a light and 2 yards of a dark. This one's a small dot. And then a turquoise. Oh, this is the color of the water in Maui where I was in December, early December. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Oh, there's some. Oh, it is it's a Batik rayon scarf in kind of a blue-gray. Beautiful. I will be wearing that one a lot. Okay, let's see what else. I've got some, these are, looks like some fat, I don't know, they look like 1/8 yard cuts. And they are, I think, stash builders. So there's a whole bunch of cuts in here to build my collection of Island Batik. They are so pretty. These little rolls have, you can see all the colors in them. So I got 2 packs of those. Wow, I cannot wait to see what those are. Let's see. I've got some batting. Hobbs batting, my very favorite batting. I use Hobbs all the time. I love Hobbs. This is a king size 120 by 120 cotton batting. 80% cotton, 20 polyester. This is an heirloom premium. Again, my very, very favorite. Love Hobbs batting. I've been using it for 25 years, I guess. Here is a natural cotton batting that also from Hobbs, and it is another king size. King size are so versatile. I do a lot of lap quilts, and I can cut the 60-inch pieces. You can get 4 60-inch pieces out of these king size. Awesome. Wow. I don't use the 100% cotton too much, but this one's awesome. Let's see. Oh. Aurifil threads. I love beautiful threads. I am a thread fanatic. Oh, how pretty is this? So this is an orange collection. I want to actually open. I must see them. So there are 3 oranges. Wow, yummy. And 3 blues. A blue combo. It's a light blue, a royal blue, and a dark blue. Yum, yum, yum. This one doesn't want to open as easily. Oh, there we go. So I've got 6 beautiful spools of thread. I do like to change colors of thread as I stitch. So in one project, I may use several different thread colors. I don't just use gray, I use them all. Wow. I am so excited to see what I can make with my Island Batiks. I hope you follow me and watch what I do. At least every month I'll be doing something fabulous with these beautiful Island Batik fabrics. Thank you. And now I'll turn my camera off.